Hello. If you can have your videos on, that will be great. That's good to see all your videos. Connecting faces to your voices is such a thrilling experience you can't even imagine. It's just a quick call, guys. Less than 10 minutes, we'll be out. So I believe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are waiting for one more person, but we're going to go from here. I just want you guys to introduce yourself, your name, your education, your location, and how did you come to know about MediPharm Solutions. And you're going to see this video on Facebook tomorrow. Let's go. Who wants to go first?
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Jayashree. I have recently moved to US from India. My education qualification is PhD in chemistry. In the past, I have worked as assistant professor in St. Joseph University, Bangalore.
Awesome.
And I came to know about MediPharm through the Google.
Google is good. Okay, good.
Thanks a lot for your help to know about the pharmacovigilance, and then I'm waiting for my awesome career here. Thank you.
Awesome. Good to have you guys. Who's next, guys?
Hello, everyone. My name is Bethalhem. I just recently completed my MD degree from Windsor University from Caribbean Island. And I am here in the US, Chicago.
Awesome. Good to have you. You're on mute, Trupti.
Hello. My name is Arlen. I'm a physician. I've been a urogynecologist for about 15 years now. I'm retired from clinical practice, but wanted to transition to the biotech industry and interested in pharmacovigilance. And so I'm taking this course. I heard about the course through both Google and through a prior student, Julia Osei.
Julia, okay, good. Good to have you, Doc.
Thanks.
Trupti, all yours.
Yeah, my name is Trupti. Hello, everyone. I'm living in Central Park, Arkansas State, Bentonville City. And I already did my pharmacy technician certification course from Penn Foster University. And now the next step, I'm interested in pharmacovigilance.
Awesome. And you were referred by someone, right?
Yes.
Who is it?
She's Saraswati.
Saraswati, yes. She's a nurse, you're right.
Yeah.
Sridevi, Swati. You're on mute, Sridevi.
Hello.
Yes, Sridevi.
Yeah, I'm Sridevi. I'm from Hyderabad, India, and I finished my bachelor's in dentistry long back, and I was practicing in India, and now we moved to Chicago. I'm based out of Chicago.
Awesome. Good to have you.
And I came across through family, friends.
Family, friends. Nice. Awesome. Swati.
Hi, I'm Swati. I've done my medical schooling from India, and then I'm here currently in Omaha, and I have been in US like for more than 10 years now. And I have been doing working as a research fellow currently, and I would like to move to pharmacovigilance now. And I came to know about MediPharm Solutions from LinkedIn and Google too.
Awesome.